Do you find it difficult to follow the audio in Listening See? Watch this video where we show you how to make it easier. Let's go! Hello, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses. We are OET Premium Preparation Providers, which means you are in the right place for your OET. Be sure to check out our website and see how we can help you pass your OET exam. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you're the first person to know every time we upload a new video. Let's get started. In Listening Part C, you could have a presentation or interview. If the audio is a dialogue, the interviewer will help you guide through the extract with the questions that they are asking the speaker. However, if you have a presentation, you will need to listen for signposting language to keep your place in the audio. You will have multiple choice questions to answer in Part C with 3 possible answers, A, B or C. You need to be aware of distractors as they might be mentioned in the audio but don't relate to the question being asked. And the questions in Part C are often about attitude and opinion, where the speaker's opinion might not be explicitly stated. Using the transcripts can help you with these challenges. Let's take a look at how. Use the transcripts and audios from Listening See to notice sounds in different accents. Use the transcripts to develop your vocabulary. Use the transcripts to review your answers. Find links to the questions and options. Analyze the transcripts for signposting and linking phrases. And use the transcripts to improve your ability to understand fast speech. Here are some Listening See questions. Can you identify the key words? And here they are. You can use the question paper along with the transcript to look for links to the key words in the question which may be paraphrased. Listen to the audio first for this question. Which do you think is the correct option?
Today I'm going to talk about rosacea, in particular about a complication of the disease which affects the eyes called ocular rosacea. Rosacea is a commonly occurring skin disease with no known cause, although fair-skinned people are more likely to develop the disease between their 40s and 60s, and it tends to run in families. Curiously, despite affecting twice as many females as males, the condition is often more severe in the male population.
Okay, now look at the transcript. Can you find a synonym or paraphrase for unexpected? So here we have curiously. Despite affecting more females, it is more severe in males, which suggests the speaker finds this unexpected, which we can see in the question. And so we know that the answer is C. We can also use the transcript to notice signposting phrases and linkers, which help us keep our place and follow the ideas of the speaker. So here we have, I'm going to talk about rosacea. It's used as signposting to direct the listener to what we're about to hear, followed by in particular to focus the listener. Cynthia then states a fact. Rosacea is a commonly occurring skin disease with no known cause, and then uses although to signal a contrast. We then have the use of the word despite, which is also used for contrast and emphasis to express that twice as many females have the condition, but it's more severe in males. We can also use the transcript to analyze for language. Here we have some hedging language with more likely, and it tends to run in families. This tells us that it's a trend rather than a certainty. Let's take a look at the next question. So we know that the keywords in the question are suggests and optometrists. What are the keywords in the options? Read and decide now. So we have maybe the initial point of contact for patients, are best placed to manage the condition, have the expertise to manage the condition. So now listen to the audio. Which do you think is the correct option?
The cutaneous form of rosacea manifests as facial flushing and redness, especially visible in the central third part of the face, including the nasal area. The form which affects the eye area, called ocular rosacea, is seen in between 58 and 72% of people who have the cutaneous form of the disease. Unlike the skin form, ocular rosacea affects men and women equally, and may occur without any symptoms of cutaneous rosacea. Ocular rosacea can cause irritation and dryness in the eye, as well as photophobia and blurred vision. The eye symptoms may explain why we, as optometrists, are often the first healthcare professionals consulted about the condition. Optometrists advise patients about the management of eye irritation, prescribe eye lubricants, and advise on eye hygiene.
Looking at the transcript, can you find any synonyms or paraphrasing of the options? We can see here with may explain why we as optometrists are often the first healthcare professionals consulted about the condition. We as optometrists links to the question, and then first is a paraphrase of initial in option A, and consulted is a paraphrase of point of contact. So we know that the answer is A. You can also use the transcripts to develop your vocabulary. This extract is about optometry. Can you find any words or phrases relating to this profession? Okay, let's take a look. So we can find keratitis, corneal inflammation, annual eye check, dry itchy eyes, foreign body in her eye discomfort, eyelids, and bloodshot. Listening C often deals with the speaker's opinion or that of someone mentioned in the audio, for example, a patient of theirs. Have a look at this extract and identify all the language of attitude and opinion. What did you find? I have to admit, I felt at a loss. I was becoming concerned. I was somewhat relieved. Regrettably. Unclear. It was heartening. Unpleasant. Do you know what they mean? See if you can match them to words of a similar meaning. And here are the answers. Admit is to acknowledge or confess. At a loss means you are stuck or clueless, don't know what to do. Concerned is worried. Relieved could be paraphrased as reassured or comforted. Regrettably means unfortunately. Unclear is similar to uncertain or unsure. Heartening is a word that we use to describe something that's encouraging or pleasing. And unpleasant means horrible. Make sure you keep a record of useful language for listening C, such as language for attitude and opinion, and review your notebook regularly. Want more practice? Make sure you check out our online self-study course, Reach OETB, which provides lots of useful tips, skills building, and exam practice. Top tips for using transcripts for listening Part C. Read through the transcripts and notice any language for attitude and opinion. Look for signposting phrases so you can spot the language used to change the topic and guide you towards the answers. Notice linking devices and how they are used to express contrast, cause and effect, and adding information. And develop your knowledge of vocabulary for a range of topics. What words and phrases did you learn from today's video? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our website. We've got the perfect OET preparation course for you to help you pass the exam. And if you want more videos to help you, click on the information icon here. See you next time. Bye. Do you find it difficult to follow the audio in Listening C? Watch this video where we show you how to make it easier. Let's go! Ah! And develop your knowledge. So what words and... Be sure to check out our website and see how we can help you ace the OET exam. Subscribe. Okay. Woohoo!